welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Temi and my beautiful daughter sitting right here, her name is Ini. Yeah, I realized that there's so many people that have joined us, and I think it's gonna be nice for me to just do a little bit of introduction. All right, so back to what we have today. This is a beautiful and unique hairstyle that I made. I just sectioned the hair into three parts, three not equal parts, but just look through the video, you're gonna get the gist. Yeah, so the back side was a little bit bigger than the front portions, and it's just so easy to make. This is a beautiful DIY hair that you can recreate on your toddler. It's very easy to make and beautiful. Sit back, relax, and watch this video. I'm gonna drop the list of all the things I use, all the products that I use, right here in the description box. So you might want to check that out so you know what I use exactly. And also, I use Brazilian hair wool. I use Brazilian wool for our hair all through. Even the one I made at the back, I use Brazilian wool. So what I'm doing here is I try to section the hair and put a little bit of gel in the section so that when I comb everything all together, it's gonna slick. You know, the hair is a natural hair, it's a virgin hair, it's not a relaxed or palm hair. So what I did was to put 3 braids in the section at the front, yes, before adding my accessories, the beads and all that. I just showed one way of how I fix beads to our hair, but let me know if you like to see other easy ways to put beads in your toddler's braids or something, and I'm going to drop the video right here. All right, please watch this video. You can see Ini's hair is really growing well. It's growing thick and it's growing very healthy. Yeah, you might want to check other videos that I've posted on how to make your own DIY clove water, clove oil. These are the things that I've been keeping in our hair, aside from moisturizing it with Cantu leave-in conditioner. Don't worry, I'm going to drop the list of all the things I added to our hair in the description box. Thank you so much for sticking around. For my returning subscriber, you guys are the real deal now. Thank you for always coming back to show me love. If today is your first time of watching this video or of stopping by, this is the place to be. Please join the family, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel and become a part of the family. Also, let me know where you're watching us from. Let me know the country, let me know the state you are. I'm based in the US. Let me know where you are as well. Let us connect. All right, thank you so much for your love and support.
Something good, something good is gonna come my way.
This is actually the Brazilian wool. So all I did was just to comb it out. I combed it out and I attached a band to it before fixing right into the hair.
There's a feeling deep in my soul. It's a tingling in my hands, a sensation down in my bones. It's taking over me.
And also I added the bone. You can see this bone. Yeah, you can always get this on Amazon or any local shop near you. So this was what I used to create the magic. Yo, what do you think about this hairstyle? Is it beautiful? Are you going to be recreating this hairstyle on your toddler? Even an adult can make this style, you know. All right, let me know in the comment box what your thoughts are concerning this hairstyle. Let me leave you to enjoy the video with the beautiful music at the background. Please, if you're just joining us for the first time, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and join the family. For my returning subscriber, I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
The atmosphere is right for something nice. It's gonna change my life. Oh, something good. Something good is gonna come my way. Come my way. Hey, hey, hey. Something good is gonna come my way. Ooh, I'm expecting a blessing that's gonna come my way. If I believe it, receive it, I know it's gonna be a real good day. I feel it coming, I feel it coming. Something good. Something good is gonna come my way.